Broadcast list allows you to segment your customers into several lists so that you can set up automated follow-up messages to them, right? Automated WhatsApp messages, right? So on broadcast list, you can just add your list here. Give your list a name and a description. The description is just an easy to identify name so that when you have a lot of lists, right, you can easily know what these lists are meant for, right? So as you can see here, can you see? So these are the descriptions, just for you to easily identify what that list is meant for. Then these are all the contacts on the list, right? Then you can click here to view the contacts in the list. Then you use this to upload a CSV file. So if you have a CSV file, you click this. More importantly, you have to click sample format, right? So this will show you the format Wamation expects your CSV file to be. You cannot just bring any kind of CSV file and import them into Wamation. No, you need to follow the format. So I'm going to do another video that will show you the format of the CSV and how you can edit your own CSV to look like the format that Wamation expects you to bring into Wamation. Then when you are done saving that CSV file, you can just come here, choose the file, and you upload. Day number on automation, leave it as 0. I'm going to explain this in another video, right? Then when you are done, you just click the import list, okay? Then this is to add a contact manually to your list. So just click this, put the name, select the country code, put the number. When you are putting the number, ignore the first 0. So if I want to put a number now, 080, I will just ignore the first 0 and I'll put 80 and then type the number. The number and automation, I'm going to do a separate video that explains this, but you can leave it as 0, okay? Then the third icon here is for you to edit the list. So you want to change the name or the description, you edit that there. While this will delete the list. Now, when you are deleting the list, be careful because all the contacts in the list will be deleted as well, right? And then this is to empty the list. So this list now has 106 contacts. I want to empty it so that I'll have 0 contact. I just click this and it will empty that list, but the list will still remain there, okay? Now, one beautiful feature of Wamation is autosave. Autosave feature, what it does is allows you to connect to your Google account using this. Connect with Google account, and when you are connected, Wamation will move all the contacts on all your broadcast list here every 2 minutes and push them to your Google contacts. The contacts that are on your WhatsApp are being retrieved from your Google contacts, right? So that Google contact or that Gmail account that has your Google contact that your WhatsApp is loading contacts from, that is what you are going to connect here, okay? So I'm going to do another video that will show you how to do this, right? And when you are inside a list, you can search for a contact using the search bar at the top right hand side, okay? So it's fetching contacts, you wait for it, you can see. So if I want to search for, let me just search for test. So just come here and you put TEST. So can you see it's going to retrieve all the names based on what you search for here. And then maybe when you sent a broadcast message, somebody messaged you and says, don't send me this message again. Or for whatever reason you don't want the person to receive your messages. You scroll to the right hand side. Can you see enable disable for automation? You just click this eye icon. Can you see disable for automation? It's going to ask you, do you want to disable these contacts from receiving automation? You say yes. And then henceforth, any message you send, broadcasts or automation, that person will not receive the message. Can you see it has changed this I to a cross? That means, it has crossed it. That means it's no longer on the automation list. Can you see now? Disabled for automation. This enabled. So you can see that this 1, 2, 3, 4, they are different from this. So this one means that this is the one I disabled. Can you see now? If you put your mouse on it, it's telling you now, do you want to enable? Can you see, do you want to enable? So that's how you remove contacts from lists, right? So and then you can select as you want, and then you can delete. So when you have imported your contacts, you can come here, select the ones you don't want to be on your contacts, and then you delete here, and everything will be deleted, right? And then you can use this to edit a single contact, right? And delete a single contact. And you can export all your contacts. So if you click this, all your contacts on your broadcast list will be exported into an Excel file, which you can use for whatever purpose you want to use them for.